Hello, welcome. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss question 6 of 12th NCERT physics book. So the question is 4-point charges QA 2 microcoulomb, QB minus 5 microcoulomb, QC 2 microcoulomb and QD minus 5 microcoulomb are located at this corner of a square of side 10 centimeter. What is the force on a charge of 1 coulomb microcoulomb placed at the center of square? So I have given 4 charges which are placed at the corner of a square. So this is my square and 4 charges are placed according to their points. So I have to find the force, net force on this charge placed at the center of this square. So let this point be O, and the charge placed here, it is 1 microcoulomb. So for calculating the force on this charge due to this all these other charges, so I need this distance, and so in a square the diagonals are equal. So this is equal to this, and diagonal also bisect each other. So all these segments are equal in length. So let's suppose it to be A, and supposing it to be equal to A. So force on charge O due to A is given by Coulomb's law. It's QA and QO divided by the distance square, and distance is actually A. So it becomes, my QA is 2 microcoulomb, so K2 micro, and Q naught, it's QO, charge at the center is 1 micro, and this is A square. So this come out to be 2 into 10 is from minus 12. This is micro, so I will square and it will become 10 to minus 12 into K by A square. Similarly, force on charge O due to B, due to charge at B, is given by K QB Q0 by A square. So this come out to be, QB is 5, so I'm taking the only the magnitude, so it's come out to be 5 into 10 is from minus 12 K by A square. Now a force on charge O due to C is K QC by Q0 divided by A square, and QC is 2, so this come out to be 2 into 10 is power minus 12 K by A square. Now the force on O due to D, charge at D, is K QD QO divided by A square. So this come out to be 5 into 10 is from minus 12 K by A square. Now so let's see the direction of force. So the force on this charge due to this is, so both are positive charges, so the direction of force will be away, and the force due to this charge on charge at O, since this charge is negative, so force will be in this direction. Now due to C is a positive charge, so it will repel, so the force, direction of force on this charge due to this will be away along OA direction, and the force due to this charge minus 5 microcoulomb, it's negative charge, so it will attract. So this is my FOD, this is FOC, this is FOB vector, and this is FOA. So looking over along this direction only, so my FOD is this and FOB is this. So you can see they both are of same magnitude, but the direction is opposite. So these two forces will cancel each other. Similarly, in this case, this FOA and FOC are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So this force, these two forces will cancel each other. So net force is 0. So net force on this charge at O is 0. Thanks.